Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert HTML to React.js. So first, download the following creative template, as this will be the standard website we will convert to React. Create a new React application running the following commands in your terminal or console. Move all of the folders, CSS, fonts, IMG, and JS from your creative template to your React project's public folder. References to the public/index.html file in your React application. Don't forget to copy over the references from the bottom of the file as well. The end result should look like the following. Once you have completed this step, all of the functionality from the template has been transferred over to your new React.js application. Now it is time to convert the layout into a component. Open up the /src/app.js file in your application where your main component is located. In this file, you will notice the app function and a return statement containing one node with HTML including the React logo that displayed when you started your server. Change function app to class app extends React.component. Give class app one render function. Copy over the return statement from function app to the class app render function. As a result, we should have the same layout as before, with the spinning React logo still in the middle of the screen. Next, we will start adding the contents to this component. First, remove the header node and their children to clear the website. Once we have cleared the component, we will refer back to the index.html from within the creative templates. We will copy everything with the element and paste within the nodes above in your React project. Make sure you didn't copy over the React.js web development. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.